All right, so we're at a BM2624 installation. It's been running about 6 months, and it's in a 2-compartment, 1,200-gallon tank. The BM2624 is installed on the secondary compartment, treatment compartment. We're going to take a look down inside the effluent. The pump's been off for just a little bit, and so it's calm, and we're going to look in and see how much biomass is on the pods. Rob, take a look down in here, and I've got the light down pretty low in there, and I'm gonna raise it up slowly. Raise the light up slowly. You can see how much biomat is on the pod. So there's media outside, and then there's internal media. And you can see that the biomat, the biofilm, is well populated throughout the pod. And there's 6 pods, so if we take a quick look over maybe at one of the other ones. We can see there's exceptional biomat on all the pods, indicating that there's an extremely healthy microbial population. Look down one more. You can see when the pod moves a little bit, you can see the filaments of the biofilm extending out into the water. So when this is being circulated with the oxygen, with the air pumps running, these filaments of biofilm will be waving about, doing their job with the microbes, cleaning the water. There we have it.